Hey, we're doing
Half
a case of Panini Basketball Gold Standard 14-15. Half a case. Bob's going to pick the half that we do.
No, you grab 5. How's that?
Just 5?
Real random, yeah.
I shouldn't dump them all out and pick 5?
Right there. I'll pick 5. How about this? Turn it over.
Turn it over.
There you go. Let's do it 5. How about the one side?
Yeah, Carolina, pick a side, right or left? Right? Left. Right or left?
Hello. You hear it?
Do. All right, we'll do right.
You're right side.
Because I'm right.
You're right.
All right.
What are these?
Good luck, everybody, watching this on YouTube or now on Breakers. This is going to be a good one because at a 79, Kevin Durant, Oklahoma City.
His video was playing.
Too bad. Spud Webb at a 199, auto, Atlanta Hawks. Shabazz Napier, auto, dual relic at a 149, Miami. Danny Green, auto, at a 79, gold auto. Two color, Grant Hill, auto relic at a 25, Detroit.
Nice.
Pistons, Grant Hill. Gold records at a 20, Carl the Mailman Malone. Super short print patch of Kevin Duckworth, 6 out of 7.
Old timer.
Kevin, yeah, old timer. I remember Kevin Duckworth. 3 color, nice, old looking. 285, David Robinson. Nicholas Batum, 285. Steven Adams, Oklahoma City, 285. Matt Barnes, 285. Kenneth Fareed, 285. Nick Collison, 285. Derrick Rose, 285. 72 out of 79, Yao Ming, Houston. Dennis Schroeder, Atlanta. Auto at a 199. Bruno Capogo, Toronto. Oh, this is a nice one. Quad patch, 21 out of 25. Noah Vonleh, Doug McDermott, Zach LaVine,
Okay, no problem.
Elfrid Payton. We're going to check the roster and see. That'll probably be random off. I have to check the.
Let me run that.
Nate Walters
Right.
at a 199 auto.
We have
Dieng, Minnesota, auto out of 199. Mr. Bob's checking right now to see who won that quad. If anybody, or it will be randomed.
It means 4 different people. Nice.
4 different people that will be random. Finger's not working too well today. Drew Holiday, 285. Kyle Lowry, 285. Anderson Varejao at a 285. Gary Payton, 285. Harrison Barnes, 79. Tom Gugliotta, Suns, 10 out of 79 auto.
You dumb.
He was good. Markel Brown at a 199 relic auto. Dante Exum, Jazz, 199 auto relic. Mark Aguirre, 158 out of 199 ring bearers, Detroit. Victor Oladipo, 12 out of 25 black gold jumbo relic, Orlando.
I had a problem with the router before, and it came out on hook it. Okay, then I can run the cord.
Andre Drummond out of 79. Mitch McGarry out of 99. Triple relic auto.
Come back tomorrow or something?
No, I need it today.
Well, no, I'll let you take it. Just come back and pay me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I trust you.
8 out of 25. Isaiah Thomas, black.
Thanks.
Ilgauskas out of 199.
So,
Good as gold.
take 'em back.
29.
Relic auto. Ilgauskas' auto's crazy looking. Robin Lopez auto at 199. Portland. Followed up by Arvydas Sabonis at a 199. Portland. Patrick Young, New Orleans Pelicans at a 199. James Worthy at a 285. Danilo Gallinari at a 285. Derek Favors at a 285. Last box. And then we will random. Tiago Splitter, 285, San Antonio. James Harden, 285 of 285. Elgin Baylor, Lakers. Kyle Korver, Atlanta. Atlanta did well. Antoine Walker, Boston, at a 199. Paul Millsap, Atlanta, at a 79. Joel Embiid at a 199. Philadelphia 76ers. Clifford Robinson, Blazers, white gold. Two color. It's 11 out of 25. Up in the corner there. 11 out of 25. Clippers, Marquez Johnson at a 199. Can be honest, I don't recall him.
I was just gonna say, I don't remember that guy.
Last but not least, Rodney Hood at a 199 auto gold scripts.
Is that one random?
One random. Here we go, everybody.
Just quad patch. Charlotte Hornets, Milwaukee Magic, Bulls, and Minnesota.
Okay.
All good?
All good.
There we go. 5 times. Team on top will receive the card. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time, Chicago.
Chicago.
Chicago Bulls.
Thanks, everybody.